Unlock the power to instantly and securely sign any document with Dochub's intuitive signature creator. Today, we're diving into how to make and apply your signature in Dochub, ensuring every agreement you finalize is professional and legally binding. First, let's open up Dochub once you're logged in. Look for the Create Signature option. It's usually prominent, often found in a sidebar or a prominent button on your dashboard. Click on that to begin. Now you have 3 fantastic ways to create your signature. You can draw it directly onto your screen using your mouse or a stylus. This is perfect for a handwritten feel. Type offers a clean, professional look. Simply type your name, and Dochub will present you with a selection of stylish fonts to choose from. And for ultimate flexibility, you can upload a pre-made image of your signature. This is great if you've already signed a piece of paper and scanned it. Once you've chosen your method, adjust the size and appearance of your signature. You can fine-tune its dimensions and even alter the color to match your branding or document style. Now, let's apply it. Open the document you need to sign. Navigate to where it says Sign or Add Signature within your document. Click on the signature you just created, and then simply click on the document where you want it to appear. You can drag and drop it to position it perfectly, ensuring it looks exactly how you intend. And that's it. You've successfully created and applied your personalized, legally binding signature, making signing a breeze every single time.